Okay, let's do a pasty now. Add some water. And then we're going to crimp it. So we fold it down. Yeah. Fold it down and then we seal the edges. We seal it up. Okay, seal it tight. And then we crimp. This is how I crimp. It's all hand crimp. See? It's mesmerizing, isn't it? Okay. This is one. I'll show you another one. Okay. Okay, just fold it over. Make sure it seals properly. Yeah. Seal it up. And so then we crimp. Okay. Crimp. Here you are. Here we go. Another one. Okay, here we go. Make sure it stays inside the filling. Okay. And then we press the side to seal. Okay. And here we go again. We crimp. How do you see? Oh, okay. This way. Crimp, 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 crimp. Da 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 da. That's it. Okay, that's all for the time being.